If a robot vacuum is on your Prime Day shopping list this year, watch this video before you check out, because I tested all three of eufy's biggest robot vacuum deals side by side. The flagship Omni S2, the all-in-one Omni E25, and the budget-friendly Omni C28. You don't have to spend hours researching which one is actually right for your home. And what's interesting is that all three share the same technology that completely changes how robot mopping works. So today, I'm going to show you what makes each one different, which one gives you the best value, and exactly which eufy robot I recommend depending on your home, your needs, and your budget. Before we talk about the robots themselves, we need to talk about the feature that connects all three, HydroJet self-cleaning roller mop. Because eufy was actually the first brand to bring real-time self-cleaning roller mop technology to robot vacuums. And honestly, once you see it work, it's hard to go back to traditional robot mops. The problem with most robot vacuums is simple. The mop gets dirty and then it keeps dragging that dirt across the rest of the floor. So the dirt from one room ends up being spread somewhere else. HydroJet solves that problem by continuously washing the roller while it cleans. Fresh water rinses the roller scrubs the floor, dual scrapers remove dirty water in real time, and wastewater gets separated into its own tank. So from the first tile to the last tile, it's always a clean roller touching your floor, not a dirty one. And that's exactly why I'm using ketchup and mustard for this test. Because if a robot can handle this, it can probably handle whatever ends up on your floor. So I've spread the mess across a large section of the wood floor, and now watch what happens. The robot moves through the mess, the roller keeps cleaning itself, and instead of smearing everything around, it removes it in a single cleaning cycle. What's even more impressive is that HydroJet cleans the roller up to 9 times every second, so it's constantly refreshing itself while it works. Let's do the favorite test, a clean white paper towel. First on the floor and it's still clean. Now on the roller itself, it's also clean. And that's really the whole point. Real-time self-cleaning, not just cleaning when it returns to the dock. And what's cool is that eufy didn't keep the technology exclusively to the flagship model. You get HydroJet on the S2, you get it on the E25, and you even get HydroJet on the budget-friendly C28. Let's start with the flagship, the Omni S2. This is the robot for people who want the absolute best cleaning experience eufy offers. Not just cleaner floors, a healthier home overall. For mopping, the system creates sterilizing electrolyzed water while it cleans and delivers a TUV certified 99.9% bacterial removal. And what's impressive is that the antibacterial effect can last up to 5 days. You're not just removing visible dirt, you're helping create a healthier environment for your family. Then there's suction performance. The S2 delivers an incredible 30,000 PA suction power and 100 AW airflow. According to eufy, that's up to 3 times the dust removal performance compared to traditional robot vacuum systems. And when the S2 detects carpet, it automatically boosts suction to pull dirt, debris, dust, and dust mites from deep inside the carpet fibers. But the feature that really impressed me is what happens after months of use. A lot of robot vacuums lose suction performance over time. The S2 uses multi-cone cyclone technology to separate dust before it reaches the filter. That helps maintain airflow support and dramatically reduce performance loss over time. In fact, eufy says the S2 maintains up to 92% of its suction performance after 365 days. Which means powerful cleaning today and powerful cleaning a year from now. Add in the 5-layer filtration system that captures 99.99% of allergen, and you have a robot designed to clean your floors, your carpets, even the air your family breathes. If you care about your health, allergies, pets, or simply want the best robot eufy makes, the S2 is a flagship for a reason. Now, let's talk about what I think is going to be the sweet spot for most people. The Omni E25. If you're looking for an all-in-one powerhouse that delivers both powerful sweeping and effective mopping, this is the one for you. The E25 is really about balance. You get a flagship level cleaning performance without the flagship price tag. You still get the HydroJet real-time self-cleaning. Instead of 30,000, you still get a powerful 20,000 PA suction. You get a dual spiral detangle brushes, and you still get smart cleaning features that makes everyday use almost effortless. And honestly, the brush system might be my favorite part. The dual spiral system was specifically designed to help eliminate tangles. Hair gets guided towards the center, collected efficiently, and removed before it becomes a problem. Then there's the corner rover. Most robot vacuums leave debris hitting along walls and corners. The E25 actively reaches into those difficult areas and cleans it out simply with the robot arm. And on top of that, you get a AI-powered obstacle avoidance. So cords, dog toys, wallets, and all of the random things that somehow end up on the floor, the E25 can recognize them and navigate around them. For busy households, families with kids, or pet owners who want powerful cleaning without spending flagship money, the E25 is probably the best overall balance in the lineup. Now let's talk about the value model, the Omni C28. And honestly, this might be the biggest surprise of the entire lineup, because when most companies build a budget model, they remove the best features, but eufy didn't do that here. You still get the HydroJet, you still get the real-time self-cleaning, and you still get the technology that arguably makes the biggest difference in everyday cleaning. The C28 also comes with dual spiral detangled brushes. Pet hair and long hair are much less likely to become wrapped around the brush system. Less maintenance, less frustration, and more cleaning. You also get a powerful 15,000 PA suction that's more than enough for everyday dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even carpet cleaning. What I really like about the C28 is that it gives you access to premium technology at a much more affordable price. If your goal is simple, clean floors, less maintenance, great value, the C28 makes a lot of sense. So which one should you buy? Here's the easiest way to think about it. Go with the C28 if you have pets, you're budget conscious, and you want to experience HydroJet mopping without spending a fortune. Go with the E25 if you want smart AI features like obstacle avoidance, corner rover edge cleaning, and flagship level cleaning performance without the flagship price tag. For most households, this is probably the sweet spot. And go with the S2 if you want the absolute best. HydroJet 2.0, electrolyzed water sterilization, 30,000 PA suction, multi-cone cyclone technology, advanced filtration, and the healthiest cleaning experience eufy offers. The coolest part about all three of these robots is that no matter which one you choose, you still get HydroJet real-time self-cleaning technology. And that's really the feature that changes the entire cleaning experience. Prime Day is one of the best times to buy these robots because they're available at the lowest price this time of year. Check the links below for current pricing and an exclusive discount code. And if you're still not sure which one is right for your home, drop a comment below and the team will help you figure out which model makes the most sense for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.